This conference will now be recorded.
Thank you so much. So today we are going to discuss about few more topics called, like not topic, job profiles called. So regarding the position management job profiles we need to create. So for that what we need to means, one second, let me open the document. So once you come down, so yesterday what we have created regarding the job profile of position management we have created. So I would like to create job profiles for HR executive and software engineer also. So same process we need to continue. So what is that same process means? The task is nothing but, so today I am not going to create much in this tenant where because the Accenture tenant is in the maintenance. So in your what we need to say. So the Accenture from whichever the country is providing, so that country will start maintenance from Friday evening onwards. So that is in the maintenance. So I am going to use another tenant called Elite. So here I am just create the parts of only two job profiles. Again, I need to create the same in our continuing tenant also, Accenture tenant. So this is for reference. I am going to create accordingly, or else create job profile. Software engineer. So here, please give the designation as software engineer. So what is our organization name? Global Software Solutions, right? SE. And include the code in the name, and please copy the same designation here in the job title default also, and please create job classification accordingly. Create job classification. So here in the job classification I am going to give the name as Global Engineer Group. GSS SE. I am going to take two candidates for this software engineer position. So give any profile summary here. So normally we used to get requisition details completely from the client or from the HR department. So we will not do any own creations and all here in the job profile process. So just copy any information here. And coming to the management level, I am going to select as the individual contributor, because on their self work will be applicable here in these positions, like executive or engineer or any other person who are working under the reporting structure or reporting to anybody. That guys are individual employees. And select the job level. Currently we don't have, we need to create the job level also. That is an optional part actually, but still if you want, please select. Say okay and ignore job family. I'm not going to create job family here in the process. So I will create in 1 second guys. See here again. Put the page because it is accessing by someone. Again we need to enter the details from starting. Please call accordingly. Come down. Select the job category as a direct labor. So currently I am not going to give the option for company insider type. So what is mean by company insider type?
So those who are eligible to get the shares and stock.
Pardon?
So company insider types are eligible to receive the stock and shares from the company.
I didn't get you. I didn't get your point. Eligibility to receive?
Shares and stock from the company.
It means what?
So they are eligible for getting the company shares.
Shares.
Not
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Stocks to buy or shares to buy. Okay, done, done. I heard like SAS. So why this SAS report is coming? So my a software engineer will not come into the company insider type option. So if anyone refer to the software engineer position, that person will get the standard referral. So I am going to make it as a public job where I am going to announce this for a job posting in the local websites and all. And pay rate type, currently I am not going to select anything here. It is a easy one. And compensation part, which I am going to enter the details in after completing the compensation element section. For currently, say OK. And create one more job profile for HR executive. So today we are going to have session till 11 o'clock itself, because of the tenant is in under the maintenance. If we discuss more, we need to create here and there also, the time waste will happen. And create one more job profile called Human Resource Executive. So here the job code I am going to give as a HRE and include this, and the job title by default I am going to give as a Human Resource Executive. And we need to create the job classification and all. Create job classification. Say OK. So create job classification called Global HR Executive, and the ID is nothing but I am going to have only one position for Global HR Executive, HRE. Save OK and done. So copy any info. Normally, in real time, how it will happen means, so every time we don't create all this. So if your company is being resident like almost 10 plus years or 15 plus years, so every information you do have in another form, not only in this format. So any in other form you do have descriptions and all. So that descriptions and all will integrate at the time of deployment itself. Every time we don't need to create these things and all, like job IDs. So everything we used to create like this itself. In the integration process, we used to do. Select individual contributor. So that's what our functional related tasks and all we used to get in very less manner. So very rare scenarios, not very rare. So in general, out of 10 tasks, we used to receive functional for 7 or something. Remaining we used to get in technical itself, like creating the reports, extracting the outbounding integrations. This part we used to get. So referral payment plan I am going to give as a standard referral, and sometimes I require work shifted. That is depends on the organization. I am going to make it as a public job. Later we'll discuss about the compensation and all. So for both job and position management staffing model, the job profile is same. The job profile creation is very much same. So in this, the main important restrictions. So in this job profile, what are the hiring restrictions to remember means, one is job profile. Under the job profile, we used to remember the job family is one of the restriction. So there we will give the details, job level and job family, whether to select the management level or executive level or etc. So another time type and all will come under in the process of hiring process. I mean like creating the job and position management. So here we used to get any open position, we used to get the job requisition for the new position. So what is mean by job requisition? It is one of the step of business process where we will create the exact requirement for that particular job or position management staffing model. So whatever we are doing here, we are just copying from Google and we are creating the job profile. But the job requisition is nothing but whatever the details or fields to fill in this job profile, the details we will receive in the job requisition. The rules configured in the business process as well as configure options. So in editing the things and all we used to receive here. Save OK. So now we have created two job profiles for position and two job profiles for job management we have created. So normally what we will do in real time means already business processes and compensation used to configure, which is like in the real time normally I'm saying, but here we need to see the result how this job management will work. So for that what we need to do is we need to discuss about the another topic called compensation also. So what is compensation means in the workday? Compensation in workday is nothing but which it tracks the individual worker level at the same time company level. So if company is good, company can pay the any salary to the candidate. So based on the candidate performance. So compensation structure is comprised of compensation. So compensation structure is the combination of plans and grades, which are like combined in the form of package. Okay, and compensation package we used to call compensation package, which provides pay ranges details like salary range details, compensation grade profiles details, which allows for localized base, and compensation plans, and also eligibility rules. It is the combination of compensation package. So compensation eligibility rule. So it decides the process of hiring which we will need in the hiring process, like whether we need like for management or for the executive level or middle management. So these things and all will like describe in the process of eligibility rules only. Okay, and what are the main importance that we are going to discuss here is the one is like component compensation components and compensation components, compensation rules, compensation package, compensation grades, and grade profiles. So these are all we are going to discuss in the coming classes. So we will see the overview also over about that compensation package. So what are including in the compensation plans? Another important. So compensation plans. So that compensation plans will decide on the basis of compensation grades and grade profiles. So compensation grade is nothing but salary range. Grade profile is nothing but based on the location, based on the currency, we will decide the salary range. It means like localization. Okay, so these things we need to discuss about in detail about the compensation part. After creating the compensation components, in the job profile, we have left two columns over, two fields over there, compensation grade and grade profile. So that fields we will fill with these compensation components. Okay. So in the compensation component includes rules, packages, grades, plans, everything. So there is no separate component to create here. So it includes all below mentioned. Very important topic it is. So before going to hire the candidate, we will enter all these things in the hiring process. I will share one material also, which is like HCM glossary of Workday, and it is very important to know about the complete terminologies of Workday. So today I am going to share this material along with that functional material called all these things. So hope you guys have received the material from organizers, the complete HCM functional material. If not, they will send by today or tomorrow. And this notepad you guys are going to receive, and another HCM glossary. So this HCM glossary is very important. These things I am going to send now. So you guys are going to receive by end of the night or tomorrow from the organizer. Okay. On Monday, most probably I will create. Monday we are going to have session by 8 o'clock. Please remember. So please do accordingly. Please do join accordingly by 8 o'clock, and also try to create any like one WhatsApp group, guys. So that would be helpful to you to discuss accordingly for the timings and all. At the same time, for material to share everything, and again we are going to I am going to like create this whatever the created job profiles today. So I am going to create in the Accenture theme by Monday. So we will continue with the compensation part, then we will start the business process. So it takes like compensation and the business process, it takes like 1.5 hour class. So maybe Monday we do have like 8 to 9:30 or 8 to 9 accordingly. So based on our availability. Okay. So once done with this staffing models along with the jobs and positions, compensation, then business process, I will compare the topics with the modules. Until I am not going to touch anything in the module document. Right? Fine. Today actually we are going to have a short class only. Unfortunately the tenant is in the maintenance, that's why we have used another tenant. So we are not able to continue the complete thing in this tenant. Okay. So we'll meet on the Monday by 8 o'clock sharp. Please be available accordingly.
Sure, Priyanka.
Fine.
Thanks, Priyanka.
Yeah. Have a good day and take care.
Thanks,
Thank you,
thanks, Priyanka.
Priyanka.
Thank you,
And
team.
have a
Thank
great
you.
weekend also.
Bye bye.
Joseph,
Good night.
I was like I waited for your call today also, but
Okay.
anyways,